Hello and welcome to Waiver Consulting Group. This guide outlines how to become an adaptive equipment services provider in New York, offering specialized devices to individuals with disabilities or mobility challenges to promote independence, safety, and quality of life. These services are authorized under New York's Medicaid Home and Community-Based Services Waiver Programs. HCBS oversight is provided by the New York State Department of Health, NYSDOH, the Office for People with Developmental Disabilities, OPWDD, the New York State Office of Mental Health, OMH, and the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS-approved providers, offer needs assessment, equipment selection customization, installation setup, training, education, and maintenance repair. To become a provider, apply through the eMed NY portal, submit documentation, and undergo a program readiness review. Upon approval, you can bill Medicaid. Waiver Consulting Group offers comprehensive support to help agencies launch compliant adaptive equipment services in New York. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to get started.